How to make money online without skills 2024. Making money online without specific skills can be challenging, but there are still several opportunities available. Keep in mind that success may take time, and there is no guaranteed method. Here are some ideas to consider: online interviews and reviews. Participate in paid online surveys or write product reviews for companies that pay for consumer feedback. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindal Research offer such opportunities. Freelance microjobs. Platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Fiverr offer microjobs that do not require specialized skills. Tasks may include data entry, transcription, or simple graphic design. Sell photos. If you have a smartphone with a decent camera, you can sell your photos on stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Alamy. Online marketplaces sell items you no longer need on platforms like eBay, Craigslist, or Facebook Marketplace. You can also explore dropshipping or print-on-demand services. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate marketing. You earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. Amazon Associates and ClickBank are popular platforms. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject, you can offer tutoring services on platforms like Chegg Tutors or Tutor.com. Social media management. Offer social media management services to small businesses or individuals. You can schedule posts, engage with followers, and help build an online presence. Virtual assistants. Provide virtual assistance services such as email management, data entry, or customer support through platforms like Upwork or Freelancer. Write and publish books. If you enjoy writing, consider creating and publishing ebooks on platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing. Fiction or non-fiction, there's a market for various genres. Participate in online contests. Look for online contests and competitions that offer cash prizes. This could include writing contests, design competitions, or other creative challenges. Online gaming and streaming. If you enjoy playing video games, consider streaming your gameplay on platforms like Twitch. You can earn money through ads, donations, and sponsorships. Remember to be cautious about potential scams and always research the legitimacy of the platforms you choose to work with. Additionally, building skills over time can open up more lucrative opportunities for making money online.